Right, I've now got the Amazon's brakes to a condition that I'm happy with them. Turned out that as well as having a jammed cylinder, both have now been replaced. Also, the handbrake cables were not pulling up evenly. One was a lot tighter than the other. Fortunately, on these, it's possible to unbolt them and move them along a notch. And I've done that, and now got them pulling up evenly. And after much playing around with brake pedals, got it the way I want it. Right, brake pedal is now got very, very little movement on it, and that's even with the handbrake off. So that's absolutely great. This car, of course, is very easy to bleed because it does not have a servo. That was deleted long ago. My solution to having very heavy brakes has been to run it with Green Stuff EBC racing pads, which actually have made a big difference there. The pedal feel is fine. Just now got them working a lot better because I've got all four working properly. Can safely say that I've worked out the system for getting these adjusted. I've done it before, but it was a long time ago. What I've done is I've set them so I've got holes in my drums. These are off another car. Got the B20 type brake adjusters in without the self-adjusting mechanism. Also got the conventional little square peg adjusters. And what I've done is assemble the brakes with the square peg adjusters one turn back from zero, as it were, or one turn back from level, and then adjusted through the hole with this adjuster until the brakes get slightly tight. Now they're really difficult to back these off while they're on the car, but what you can then do is, of course, you can back off the bottom one a little bit and you get nice free brakes that have gone back to where they should be and virtually no travel. Other trick with this is make sure your handbrake cables are really, really nice and free running, and that they're backed right off before you start fiddling with the brakes, because they upset all the adjustment. Seems to work. Other stuff going on with the Amazon has been that it needs lower wishbone bushes. Did the upper ones ages ago, but the upper ones are terrible. Probably why its handling's gone a bit weird. Managed to find a Volvo special tool kicking around in the piles of bits, and combined that with some parts from a Blue Point ball joint removing kit, and that has worked an absolute treat for pushing out the old wishbone bushes. No hassles at all, no violence. Everything's come out beautifully, and I could have, you could do it sitting on a pallet like this. Now these ball joints are absolutely fine, except the rubbers are no good. Managed to buy new rubbers, quite expensive, but much cheaper than ball joints, which I have got as well, but I want to use these if I can because they're still perfect condition, just knackered dust covers. Anyway, those have come. I'll be able to reuse those ball joints, no problem at all. Anti-roll bar links are usable but bad. I've bought new ones with poly bushes for that. So hopefully all of this will go back together and the Amazon estate will be once more operational, hopefully with even better brakes. Moog is keeping an eye on all the weird stuff I am doing. So onwards, forwards, no rain for a change, and we'll see how we go.